Different age group of people, right from 15 years to 60 years of age, ask me one common question: can I use retinol in my regimen? What is this retinol and why should you actually introduce it? Retinol comes under retinoids. So retinoids are vitamin A derivative, and it was first approved for the acne treatment in 1971. So retinoids are not a new molecule, it's been there for ages and it's being used as a treatment. So it is not just an OTC product that you can randomly pick up and introduce into your routine just because to prevent aging. Retinoid improves your cell turnover, it improves your collagen synthesis, and that's why it reduces the acne, it reduces the pores, comedones, and also prevents aging, especially photoaging. But that doesn't mean anyone who have acne, who wants to introduce retinol for the purpose of anti-aging can just go pick up and use it, because you might land in trouble. Why? Because it increases the photosensitivity in your skin. So now people who have extremely dry skin, sensitive skin, rosacea type of skin cannot use retinol because it might increase it. Also, if you don't have any of this and if you think you have a normal skin and you use retinol for a very long time, you might end up with any of these issues. So it is important to use a retinol only under a dermatologist's advice or a prescription, because these are prescription based medications. It is not an OTC product. Most commonly found retinoid in the OTC product is retinol. But Tretinoin, isotretinoin, acitretin, tazarotene, all of these are not OTC, that is over-the-counter products. It is prescribed based medications. So remember, these are medications, these are drugs that cannot be taken without a prescription. So just because you found a video of someone talking about a Tretinoin and the benefits of it doesn't mean you can just go pick it up from the pharmacy and use it on your skin. You might land up in trouble. So, to know who can use retinol and when it is required, stay tuned for my next video.